Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Roma bonded leather manager chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with backrest and mechanism attached, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters, 5 chrome glide feet, 1 Allen key, and 6 25mm bolts with washers, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters or glide feet into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, lie the chair face down to expose the underside of the seat pad. Attach the arms to the seat pad using the washers and the 6 25mm bolts. Each arm is marked underneath with left or right stickers to indicate if they go on the left or right of the chair. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Then, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Roma manager chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.